Step on in. Step on in.
Last time we saw you, you were a nominee, and now, half hour later, you won. Oh my God!
Congratulations.
Thank
How you
you
feeling?
so much. Hi guys, I'm so grateful. Like, this is insane.
Well, first of all, what I'm thinking about for you, I'm going to go ahead and stress you out. You remember how last year when you won, because you know she win every year, you took that beautiful picture holding up the Grammy like kissing it? Mm-hmm. That's iconic to me. I just loved that photo.
Thank you so much.
What's the pose going to be tonight?
You're gonna see.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, it's tea.
Okay. See, I knew it, man. To be rewarded again, how does it feel to have that the music you make be recognized?
I'm so like, it just shows me how far we can take it. You know what I mean? Like, we really have a chance. Being from where I'm from, like, we have a chance, and that's just amazing. Yeah.
And to inspire other girls like you, to show them that they can, right?
I mean, yeah, like I wanted that. You know, when I was young, I wanted to see like my girls there getting Grammys and everything, and we've got that, but we need more. You know, so I'm excited to see the rest of our African superstars that are killing it right now be there as well and just kill it. You know, we coming.
We coming.
Hey guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, welcome. I see I have new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy it here and I hope you stay. I wanted to cover this story, Sir Tyler, only because I think that it's a big achievement. To win 1 Grammy is a big thing, but to win 2, that is a really, really big thing. Yes, I know a lot of people last year were saying, especially Americans, I feel like they were hating at this point. A lot of people were saying that her music has died down, nobody likes it, they don't follow it because she said she was colored, instead of saying something that was not offensive to people that are black or to people that were previously called colored in America. So she was referring to herself as a colored person because she's South African. She's not American and doesn't identify as such, hence she continues to call herself colored. But it seems like even though the black community in America, was against her or pretending to be against her, because I bet you many of those people that were pretending to be against her were playing her music on Spotify in April. Hence, now she has won a Grammy again, and she was so proud. I think she has made South Africa so proud. And being as young as she is, and being South African, basically flying the African flag and the South African flag, and sort of inspiring so many girls, it takes away, for me, it sort of if you want to see good in people, it will take your eyes away or your ears away from the rumors that she's in the Illuminati. I covered a story last year sometime where people were pointing out her poses in her pictures, that it shows she's basically advertising she's in the Illuminati. But I think this is a big win for her and for South Africa as well. So congratulations to Tyler and everybody that won, but especially to her because she's a South African, very, very young, and already has 2 Grammys, and very, very new in the music industry. People were comparing her to Rihanna last year, saying that if she's in Rihanna's league, why doesn't she have this many wins of Grammys and whatever other awards that are out there in America? But I believe she's well on her way, because again, she started a little bit later than when Rihanna started her career. But I believe she's well on her way there, because she's clearly liked by people. She's clearly liked by the American community, by the people that decide who wins what at the Grammy. So congratulations to Tyler. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm actually back with the Am I the A-hole stories. I'm busy recording now, but I just wanted to cover the story and upload it. And I'll be back. I'm sure I'll see you guys tomorrow in a video. Bye.